Hi, this is R Sundar. Welcome to my channel for this post-market report program. And today morning, the Asian markets were mixed. SGX Nifty was trading lower, but when our markets are opened, they opened with a very positive tone. And this has been the case for the last many days. And today, HDFC Bank has shot up. I have been telling you that any bad news, HDFC or HDFC Bank falls, that's the time to buy. And today, though many banks like State Bank of India, Axis Bank, they are all weak, but just because of HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, the Bank Nifty has gone up. Bank Nifty went to almost 31,000 and then corrected. Today, HDFC hit a fresh all-time high. Bajaj Finance hit a fresh all-time high. Divi's Laboratory has hit fresh all-time high. And I told you when the MSCI reject came, the HDFC fell. But in the last 1 month, I think it is up more than 10%. And today it has hit a fresh all-time high. So always remember, in a bull market, if any stock crosses the previous all-time high, and don't short that stock. What happened in Bajaj Finance? It has crossed all-time high and it closed around 5,150 2 days before. Then next day it fell a little bit, but today what has happened? It has even crossed 5,300. So I've been telling few things. Number one, HDFC Bank is a good buy as and when it falls. And also I said, as and when there is an intraday fall, I keep selling 13,000 put option. Now, 13,000 put option has come close to 20 rupees now. We have only 9 more trading sessions. I don't think that Nifty will be falling below 13,000. As expected, DIIs pressed a sell order and in between the market fell, but it was oddly 50-60 points and the fall was arrested. And people are not able to digest this powerful rally. I will come out with another video why Nifty can even go to 25,000. Of course, in the next 2 to 3 years period of time. That is because I feel that whatever is happening now, it is quite similar to 2003. As I said, I will come out with another video. I will explain all the concepts very clearly. But go and look at the chart. What happened to the markets after 2003? That time I was not experienced. Believe me, I bought a share at 12 rupees in 1993. That is not XYZ stock. It belongs to Tata Group. It's a Tata Power. And I was holding it for nearly 10 years. For 10 years, it has given zero return. I got fed up and I sold the share. Within 3 months, that 12 rupees has gone to 36 rupees. I was holding a stock for 10 years with zero return. The next 3 months, it has given 300% return. Then I thought, should I buy again? I thought once it has shot up 3 times already, how to buy? So expensive. From 36, it went up to 150 in the next few years. So now I will not be surprised if this rally continues. Of course, in between, correction can come. But we can expect a significant rally over the next few years, and I will explain the reasons later. But now I just want to show you the update on my Bajaj Finance trade. And people always ask me, sir, are you a bull or a bear? But I used to tell them, I'm neither a bull nor a bear. I am a chameleon. I change my color. Bajaj Finance, I thought it is bearish. All the positives are factored in and I shorted it. And in addition to shorting, I also sold a call option. But the moment I realized it's going against me, I have reacted. And that day itself, I posted I was having about 1.5 lakh rupees profit. Again, yesterday, I was having another 1.5 lakh rupees profit, which I posted in the Twitter. And today, I will show you the overall I am having about 5.28 lakh rupees as the profit. That's all positions put together. But if you look only at the Bajaj Finance, I am having about 2,63,000. So I made 1.5 lakh rupees day before yesterday. Yesterday 1.5 lakh rupees. Today about 2.63. So I'm more than happy to get more than 5% return when my view has gone wrong. It has gone terribly wrong. So always remember, I have seen in my personal life, there are some people who are always bullish. There are some people who are always bearish. Even you see the television channels, whenever the markets are very bullish, the people show Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. And when the markets are bearish, they will show Shankar Sharma. Because they have branded. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, always a bullish guy. Shankar Sharma, always a bearish guy. But as a trader, there is time you have to be a bullish, there is time you have to be bearish, and you have to change your colors as the market dictates its terms. And I tell you, what is the main trigger for today's positivity? US stimulus. It might go through by the end of this week. I think that I've mentioned already in my blog. And people with today's market, in the last 10 weeks, Nifty shot up from 10,800 to 13,800. September expiry was at 10,800. From 10,800 to today, high is almost 13,800, which is 3,000 points in 10 weeks. That means every week 300 points. And that means every day on an average of 60 points. And this is a fantastic bull run. Now people started telling me, sir, in the month of January, market will fall. And these people are telling the same thing last month also. But let me tell you, I will come out with another video. On January 5, there is an election in US for 2 Senate seats. And if those 2 seats are won by Democrats, then let me tell you, there will be another leg of bull rally. So what is that election? Why that is more significant? All that I will explain in another video. So as long as the market is bullish, you stay bullish, and people always say trend is your friend until it bends. Now the trend is still on the upside. I shot this video around 4 p.m. The FIA data is still not out, but looking at the market behavior, it's bound to be one more day of good FIA buying. And thank you for watching.